My name is Richard Barnes, an alumnus and a former PACS Organizing Secretary, 2014-2015 academic year. Yes. Crusade was wonderful. It's a massive program. I was there, so you have to see it for yourself. I'm part of the alumni committee. This year's Crusade is merged with the alumni homecoming. So we are expecting all alumni in and around Kumasi and the whole of Ghana to join us to celebrate. They will be part of the ministering groups to minister on the set date. We are inviting all and sundry to the Crusade, especially alumni. #we meet again.